Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Harry, and if you are somebody who travels around a lot and wants reliable Wi-Fi on the go, I have got the video for you today. You're going to want to see this. Today I am going to unbox and show you the ZTE U10S Pro in blue, a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot which is going to give you fast and reliable 4G speeds wherever you are. So let's get into it. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Well, right off the bat, we've got the ZTE U10S Pro in that sleek blue design. It's compact, it's definitely lightweight and built quite clearly for portability. Also in the box, you're going to get your quick start guide and a charging cable. It's a super simple setup. Just pop in your nano SIM card, you're good to go. And you'll also notice the battery comes in the box, so you'll need to insert that in there. But I'll show you how to do that in a bit. The ZTE U10S Pro comes with a 3000 mAh removable battery that gives you up to 10 hours of usage, which means that's good for your long travel days or when you're working remotely. And with the screen that you get, you can keep an eye on your battery life so you're never caught off guard. So easy to use. You simply slot it in and then remove as and when. So let's dive into the key features. This is a mobile broadband hotspot, meaning that you can insert any nano 4G SIM card and instantly create a Wi-Fi hotspot. In fact, you can connect up to 32 devices at once from your smartphones, laptops, tablets, even gaming consoles, which makes this perfect for your family or for business trips. Now, this device, as you can see, has a small screen. This will make managing your connection an absolute breeze. With this, you can easily check your battery life, your upload and download speeds, all your signal strength, stuff like that. It's absolutely fantastic. And as you could see right there, I'll go back to it now. It even has, right there, a QR code for easy Wi-Fi connection. So you don't have to type in your passwords, just scan the code and you're in. How convenient is that? One of the best parts of these as well is that it's a plug and play situation. So none of those complicated startups, no hassle really. Just a case of putting the SIM inside and then straight away you get your 3G, 4G speeds instantly. It is super straightforward. A cool and also rather important feature in regards to the U10S Pros are the signal boosting antennas that it has. What they will do is means that even if you're in areas with relatively or typically weak signal, the antennas on the device will keep you connected on the go with signal strength and speed such as 300 megabits per second, Wi-Fi on the 2.4 gigahertz band, which means your gaming and all that type of stuff is still going to be nice and secure whatever location you find yourselves in. The design, as previously mentioned, is super portable and lightweight. Look how slim it is. It's going to fit super easy into your bag or even your pocket. The nice blue colour means obviously it's easy to identify, so you'll always know where it is. Just to show a size comparison, look how small it is in regards to my phone. Compact personified. Another great feature for this as well is the mobile app ZTE Link. What that means is it's going to allow you to have ease of management, so you can monitor and manage all the devices connected to it at the same time. Super easy to use, and in fact you can also set up parental controls, so as well as monitoring what's connected, you can also take certain devices off the connection, so you're always in control, and it's super easy as well. So if you want to disconnect a device, it's as easy as just pressing a button on your phone. Piece of cake. To wrap things up, the ZTE U10S Pro is a fantastic little Wi-Fi hotspot. This is something which is going to give you really strong and reliable speeds when you're out and about on the go. Great for families, great for business use. It's just good generally. It connects to up to 32 different devices, so there's complete flexibility, and it's just going to make sure that everybody's catered for. I'm going to leave this in the link in the description if you want to grab one for yourself. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to stay tuned for more unboxing videos, then tap that notification bell and the subscribe button so you can stay tuned. As well as that, please pop the video a like and leave a comment. It helps us very much. And it means that more people can see this as well who may well be interested in sourcing something like this. But in the meantime, we will see you again next time on the eFones channel. Until though, I've been Harry, this has been eFones. Have a great day.